So, this is not just another video about my dog, don't worry. This is another video including my dog, but instead of being about them, he's an actor in it. He plays a part. Plays an interesting part. You're kind of boring to look at though. Bunch of circles just descending into oblivion as far as I can see. Alright. I was saying that the lens of the camera is boring to look at because there's just a bunch of circles descending into oblivion. And very much more interesting is to the right of it, where I can see myself talking. I can't hear myself talking, I can only see myself talking. The hearing comes from my mouth, bounces to the things in front of me, goes to my ears. In a matter of seconds. Milliseconds, 10 seconds. Plank time. Okay, back to this real thing here. What, Petey? Petey. Alright, Petey. Good boy. Damn it. Come on, Petey. It's an interesting summary of the psychological experiments I tortured my dog with. Petey. Move. Petey. Sit. Good boy. Move. Petey. Move. Good boy. Up. Up. Petey. Sit. Good boy, Petey. Down. Petey. Down. Good boy. Is this interesting for you? Is it interesting that without even looking, without even threatening, promising, you listened on command while I just sat here and stared at you in the evil face? It's 2:15 a.m. right now, by the way. Come on, Petey. Over there. Petey. Not pointing. He knows where. Over there, Petey. Petey. Over there. Petey. There. Petey. There. No. Over there. Good boy. Do not point. Over there, Petey. Over there. There. Petey. There. Petey. There. Good boy, Petey. Petey. Good boy, Petey. Good boy, Petey. Petey. Good boy. I've not tortured him. Not abused him. I've just psychologically trained him to be, I've psychologically done this. I don't know how. There's no clear-cut method I could say. Come on, Petey. But I do see the uniqueness in the way dogs act. I see uniqueness in there. What is the word? I don't want to say loyalty, but that wouldn't really. They're not dominance. Their susceptibility? No, not susceptibility. Commandability? Because that word will continue to escape me. Alright. I'm gonna go read. It's 2 right now, but I've been awake for 12 hours, so I've got some more time to be awake. My beard annoys me because it only grows here. It doesn't grow on the rest. So it might be weird if it did. Who knows? Who knows? Well, good boy, Petey. Petey? Good boy. I seem to catch myself at interesting times with this camera. Very interesting times. Wonder if animals feel mood. He doesn't understand what I'm saying, for the most part. He understands the sounds, but the sounds I don't understand what I'm saying. But maybe he understands the mood, the tone I am. Right now, you could tell I'm doing something really fucking weird. Doesn't know what. He's just kinda sleepy, but suspicious. He's tired, or wants to appear tired. He has trust, but not enough to close his eyes and drift off into unconsciousness and insecurity. He waits for me to stop acting like this so he can shut his eyes, go to sleep. Because as I am, and as I've acted in the past, I could jump on him at any moment. Petey, come on, Petey. Come on, Petey. Alright, Petey. Good night, Petey. Come on. Come on, Petey. Alright, goodbye. Good night, Petey. Good night. Petey, come on. Come on, Petey. And good night. Come on, Petey. Come on, Petey. Petey, come on, Petey. And good night. Goodbye. I'm weirdly mooded right now, so take that into consideration before you assume, before you judge, oh, also I predict Germany wins. I want Germany to win, but I also kind of want Argentina to win. I wouldn't be surprised if Argentina won, though. I would also be surprised if Germany lost. Interesting and paradoxically enough. Goodbye.